What do you think it looks like? Ideas from the torn shapes.
Roll it into a small ball, then gently unfold it. It becomes softer. Let's fold the softened origami in half. It could resemble a mountain or a square. Odd shapes can be quite enjoyable too. Fold it twice to create a unique shape. Then tear the origami and take it for a walk. Walk with it for as long as you can. Use your fingertips. What if there are multiple paths? A unique shape emerges. Even if it tears, it continues to move. The sound is pleasing. You can create all sorts of unique shapes. When you place the unusual shapes on paper, do they resemble anything? As you move it around, do you notice anything? What did everyone see? I'm curious about what it was. If you find something like this, glue it back together. Oh, it's torn. It's soft and will tear easily. Even if it does, it's fine if you slowly piece it back together. Once reassembled, it's time to start drawing. I'll give it my best effort. You can cut the leftover paper into small pieces to add sparkle or maybe draw a picture. What will everyone's unique shapes turn into? Share the transformed forms that everyone created. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like my page for more art adventure.